This is a Synergy Gradebook tutorial on how to score using a rubric. When you create an assignment, so here I have a sample assignment, I created it so that the rubric piece is available to be used. Now there are some built-in rubrics that come from the SBAC that were entered by the district. When you set up your assignment, you want to make sure that the max score and the points available matches the rubric score so that when you use the rubric to score it, it's going to match up with the available points. So for this one, it is a argumentative SBAC performance task rubric and it's worth 10 points. Therefore, I'm using a raw score and max score is 10 and the points is 10. Now, when I'm ready to grade it, there is two main ways. One main way is better than the other. So I'm going to show you both. The first one is the assignment Dropbox grader. So when I select this, you're going to notice that the rubric is already available for you to be used, and you would have the document either electronically or on paper, and you would be able to just select of the different criteria, what is the point that that student has earned. And all you do is you click on that cell, and it will then add up the points for each of those different criteria for that student's grade. Save it and we go to the next person. So I can go to the next person and I repeat that same process. I'm looking at it and I decide what score do the students earn on that rubric. Now what's nice is these scores will show for the student. The second way of scoring using a writing rubric is I click on the header once I've set up my assignment, and it is the quick assignment scoring. Now up at the top of the column, this is going to give you all of your students, and this is going to give a whole listing of all of the students in all your classes. I want to show the rubric scoring mode to be on. Since I've entered a rubric, here's that rubric that I'm using, I now can click within the scoring cell, and if I scroll over, it gives me the different criteria, and I can then decide by using the little pop-down menus what score does that student earn from each of the different criterias. And once I'm satisfied with the score, I save it and it's then updated. Again, the students are able to see those scores from the rubric once it's on their student portal. So again, the two ways to score using a writing rubric is one, which is the preferred method, the Dropbox grader. The second is left-clicking, quick assignment, making sure that the rubric scoring method is on, clicking in a cell, and then you're able to go to each of their criteria and select within each of the different criterias what score they have gotten. To see the exact rubric is found underneath the gradebook setup in the scoring rubric. And you are actually able to create your own rubric, but there are some rubrics that were put in by the district that are your SBAC performance task rubrics with the number of points and the details for each of the criterias for that rubric. Again, this was found under gradebook setup, scoring rubrics, and you can create your own that you can then use if you wish to or use the district default ones. As always, if you have any questions, click on the question mark on the page that you are on and you'll get some detailed information on how to accomplish the task that you're at. Thank you.